Hey brats, so today we're starting with this look by moisturizing our lips with this pumpkin pie chapstick, and then I'm just going in with my Elmer's glue and a spoolie and not really trying to lay it down so I can cover my brows, but rather that they're just all going in the same direction. And then once that's done, I'm just using my fingers to kind of blend the glue at the edges, using my concealer and a paddle brush to really carve out. It's so satisfying below and above the brow. And then a fluffy brush just to blend all that extra product over the eyelid and under. And then I'm going in with the white pearlescent pencil, just filling in my waterline. And then with my wax, I'm just filling in the tails of my brows and then the front of my brows, making these brow strokes. And then I'm going in with the brow powder of the Brow Duo. And I'm just setting all of that. And then any leftover hairs at the beginning of my brow or whatever, just going in with my Wow Brow brow mascara. And then I cleaned up that little mistake that I made. And then I'm going in with this brown concealer and I'm making my cut crease with the same paddle brush and just little pat motions. This is in real time. And really just trying to get the shape the same as the other side. And then I'm setting all of that with the same fluffy brush and this bronzer, baked bronzer. So it's almost like a pigment. That's all set. I'm going in with my liquid liner. I'm starting and stopping at the same place as the cut crease. Really thin, nothing fancy, no tail or wing. I'm going in with my Giorgio Armani Neo Nude. And I'm blending that all over. And then I'm going in with that same concealer and just really carving my face out. Don't forget the neck and the jaw, nose, blending with my finger. And then I'm bringing some lightness back into the face with that same concealer, the lightest shade, and just blending under my eyes, my chin, everywhere you would typically highlight really, and blending with brushes and fingers. Then my Essence bronzer, it's a matte bronzer, so I didn't want the whole thing to be too shiny. And then I'm just setting everywhere that we cream contoured. And then I'm going in with baby powder. I'm setting the whole face. I baked under the eyes, but I only let it sit for 2 minutes before sweeping it off. And then I'm going with this beautiful blush. Blushing everywhere you would typically blush. Highlighting in the inner corner and brow bone with some pressed glitter and then some liquid highlighter all over and blending that out with a finger. And then some Wow Brow on the face and then patting out those freckles. And then I'm going in with this lip liner that melted. Sorry, it looks so bad. I promise it's clean. I'm lining my lips and I'm actually concealing the corners of my mouth because I wanted to try for a more narrow, trendy lip shape. And then I'm filling in the middle with a brown lipstick and some gold gloss. And then I'm going in with my eyelash curler, curling, and mascara. And I did do the bottom lashes. And then I'm going in with my glue stick and these dragonfly wings that I found outside my house, and I'm gluing them to my eyes, and I'm setting my face with my hard candy setting spray. And that was the final look, and I really felt very cute. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.